Hi, this is Ken, and I'm here to introduce you to the Cenergy Solutions, the Thailand and US-based company that has been involved in clean energy since 2012. We're here to help you turn your waste into clean and renewable energy for cooking, for operating vehicles and running power generators. This is Cenergy Solutions Thailand team. Cenergy Solutions technical teams has 18 years of experience in biogas digesters installations. Also for the absorbent natural gas applications technologies. The technology prevents the methane to go up in the air and adds up to the greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. The technology also allows the methane to be captured, cleaned, stored, and utilized in many different applications. Also, it provides people around the world with economical fuel for cooking, and also getting away with woods and coal burning that is not safe for the health